Hello, my name is Amanda and I'll be presenting my app called VOCAB. VOCAB is a study app that helps users study new terms with interactive tools to help them stay engaged and motivated when learning and studying new terms. I will be going through my UX process from start to finish, highlighting the goals and challenges I encountered during the process. Let's get started. Before creating my app, I had to start a competitive analysis to help me better understand what my competitors offered and how I could improve some functions to be included into VOCAB. The three competing apps that I reviewed to help build my analysis was StudyBlue, Quizlet, and Anki. I was able to differ how each app functioned and how I could include improvements in vocab. This is Rita. She is a 20-year-old dog mom living in San Diego, California. Works full-time in sales and is doing a career change, studying interior design as a part-time student, with 3 more years to go into graduation. Her goals and motivation is to graduate with an interior design degree and work professionally as a junior interior designer. Rita quoted, "Sometimes learning new terms can be challenging since English is not my first language. I would like to use a tool where I can practice new terms to incorporate into my schoolwork and projects." She wants to develop her knowledge with new design terms to implement in projects, essays, class assignments, and her final portfolio. She wants to be able to communicate effectively with other students and during her presentations. She wants to effectively learn new terms to be best prepared for exam. She wants to graduate with a bachelor's degree in interior design. She wants a full-time position as a junior interior designer, and she prefers an app that includes auditory tools that can help her correct any pronunciation and grammar. So what problem are we solving? We are developing an application that provides engaging tools and customizations for users' preferences with a reminder tool to help busy users re-engage focus. Our problem statement is, Rita is a very busy student with a full-time job that struggles with studying new terms that she wants to implement in presentations and projects. She needs a studying platform that has interactive tools that can help her with memorization of new terms and applying them into her assignments and keep her motivated and engaged towards her goal as a professional interior designer. Rate the challenges as a full-time employee and part-time student is balancing time to study for exams and staying focused, organizing study time sessions, organizing large volumes of written notes in a designated location, struggles to find an efficient studying technique for new terms when preparing for exams. Lack of motivation and understanding new terms decreases her efficiency in a fast-paced learning environment that can change bi-weekly. Rita is an auditory learner, especially learning new materials and terms, and needs a way to have a voice playback when the words are being used in context. She lacks confidence when speaking publicly with new terms being used in presentations, which happens bi-weekly. For this project, I created 2 user flows. The first user flow is a process of setting a study reminder. At the home interface, you are able to set a reminder on your given flashcard decks. Once you click Set Reminder, you are then able to choose to set a new reminder or edit an existing reminder. From there, you will set the date and time of when you would like to be reminded with a repetition option. Once all options have been chosen, you will confirm the reminder and save. User Flow 2 is creating a new customized study deck. When you enter into the deck, you are taken to the onboarding backsplash page. You can then choose to create a new account or log into an existing account. If you choose to create a new account, you are then transitioned to the onboarding video tutorial that plays a short clip of all the features within the app. You may also choose to skip the video. Once at the home page, you then click on Create Deck tool, then Add Cards. From there, you can fill in your terms and definitions. With the customization tools, you are able to change the font style, size, and color. With the Insert Photo tool, you can choose to add a photo for more of a visual representation. Once all customizations are completed, you then click Save and name your deck. After confirming all is correct, you click Create. My wireframing process included creating a Crazy 8s draft, a process where I sketched all my ideas within a given time frame. My first Crazy 8s for setting a new study alarm included a black splash in the center of the interface with the tools to set a time and date with the repeating days options. I started to create different types of interface that could work during creating and editing a study reminder. All the changes include different methods of being able to set the time and date, with the option of allowing a sound and vibration alert, with an enabled on and off switch button for faster customization and a scrolling drop bar when editing the time and dates for faster mobility. All different styles that I thought could help create an efficient but fast experience for busy users. My second Crazy 8 is when creating a new study deck. At the home page, you would click Create New Deck on the bottom dashboard. From there, you have customization tools to create and customize your flashcards to your preference. When creating a new flashcard, there are a few options you can choose from, such as inserting a photo, adjusting the font style, size, and color, a playback voice player to hear your terms and definition read out loud for grammar and pronunciation, and a highlighting tool to help emphasize important keywords while studying. For the initial prototypes, you first enter into the onboarding platform. The users have a choice of either signing up for a new account or logging to an existing account. The user can create or log in with their Gmail, Facebook, or email. If creating a new account, the user can opt out to watch a short tutorial clip. They are then transitioned to the home page with a creative black splash logo. At the bottom is the activity dashboard where you can choose to create a new deck, set a reminder, socialize, or study, which has interactive studying options to choose from. When creating a new deck, the user has the option of inserting photos, editing font style, size, and color, a voice playback, and the highlighting tool. Once all customizations are final, they can save or discard the changes. Taken back to the homepage on the dashboard, then they can click Set Reminder. The Set Reminder page includes a motivational quote with the customization tools to edit the time and date for the reminder. The user can also choose to have the reminder to be repeated on certain days of the week with the option of the time duration they wish to study the deck for. Once all customizations are completed, they will set the reminder and confirm and save. Next step is the usability testing. For my prototype, I recruited 3 users to test the app's mobility. I had them complete 6 tasks. First, can the user create a new login account and skip through the video tutorial? Can the user create a new study deck? Can the user insert a photo onto the flashcard? Can the user change the font style and color? Play the voiceover and use the highlighting tool? Can the user set reminders? Last, can the user navigate through the app from task to task efficiently? After all the testing, the result of prototype issues were identified. First, all the testers explained that the tool buttons were unclear of their functionality because they did not transition to any interactive customization examples. Second, that on the set reminder tool, the repetition and duration tools were unclear and confusing to use. And last, unclear labels of the icons to represent their functions and features. For my prototype revisions, I first added descriptive icon images so they could be fully outlined for users to understand their features and functions at first glance. Second, each icon tool transitioned to examples of how they operate interactively. Third, a calendar checkbox was inserted for the repetition features to be easily understood of its purpose if users choose to use it. And fourth, a time scrolling tool for the study duration was inserted to be easily understood by the users with a faster mobility. This learning experience has been quite a challenge for me, but a challenge I appreciate that pushed me through my comfort zone. And this is what I've learned. How to use the Crazy Eights technique during the wireframing process. The overall interview process with potential users. How to effectively listen to users' preferences, needs, and wants during the interview process. Prototype sketching. Wireframing sketching. Prototype improvements. Importance of users' feedbacks and overall experience that can help the designer effectively improve the product and service. The challenges I faced included sketching wireframes and prototypes without any prior experience, implementing ideas without getting distracted from the goal, keeping the early stages simple and clean, time management and balancing, interviewing skills, and aiming for perfection and learning to allow mistakes as a learning process is essential. Thank you.